Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming the exact source of the ads so you don't remove the wrong thing. First, inspect Settings, Lock Screen, Notifications, and Apps to see which app controls lock screen content. Once done, open App Info for that suspect app and note permissions like Draw over other apps or Show on lock screen. Make sure to back up any personal data for that app before altering it. This step prevents accidental loss and prepares you for the targeted removal that follows. Now you revoke the powers that let the app show ads. Go to Permissions or Special App Access and disable Display over Apps and Lock Screen Visibility. Once done, force stop the app and clear cache and data to erase stored ad content. Then lock and check the screen. If the offending app is a system or carrier-installed app, use ADB commands or the Disable option in App Info to hide it or change carrier lock screen settings. These steps remove runtime capabilities that inject ads. Finish by uninstalling the app if possible. For stubborn system apps, use ADB uninstall for user commands or a package disabler to remove ad code for your profile. Then re-enable the native lock screen or install a trusted alternative from the official store to ensure no new ad injection. Make sure to reboot and verify. If ads persist, factory reset as a last resort or contact your carrier/manufacturer. They may push bloatware and can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.